Okay, room 50, Blue Lightning. Today we are talking about chapter 3.4, which is all about rounding decimals. And your learning goal for today is to be able to round decimals to any place value. Is this similar to what we practiced in our problem of the day? Just like yesterday when we were talking about comparing, I want you to think about how you can take what you understand and what you know about whole numbers and then just apply those same concepts and same skills to decimals. Okay, it's not different at all, actually. Okay, very good. Let's take a look at this. It says, the gold frog of South America is one of the smallest frogs in the world. It is 0.386. How do I say that number in word form? Soham? Yeah, it is 0 and 386 thousandths of an inch long. Think about that for a second. An inch is about this big. Think about 386 thousandths of an inch. That's how small this gold frog is. It's really small, isn't it? The question is, what is its length rounded to the nearest hundredth of an inch? I see words. I see a problem. This must be a word problem. What do I need to do when I have words that are in a problem, a word problem? Yarden? What is the problem asking, Yarden? Yeah, what is the length of the gold frog rounded to the nearest hundredth of an inch? Step 2, identify the important information. What important information do I have in this case, Daniel? Okay.
And that you have to round it to the nearest hundredth.
The nearest hundredth. Okay. So what we'll do is we will write it into a place value chart like this so we can see which ones are the ones, which digit is in the tenths, which digit is in the hundredth, and which digit is in the thousandths. Then I love what Rashika said. She needs to circle the digit that we're trying to round to. So what is the place value we are trying to round to in this question? What place are we trying to round to, Liam? Hundredths. And what digit is in the hundredths, Liam? 8. So we circle the 8 because that's in the place that we're trying to round it to. And we look one digit to the right. So let's underline one digit to the right. And let's apply that rule. 4 and below, let it go. 5 and above, give it a shove. Is that underlined digit 4 and below or 5 and above? 5 and above, so we need to give this guy a shove. If we give the 8 a shove, it becomes a
9.
So the tree frog is 39 hundredths when I round it to the nearest hundredth. It's important to remember to drop the digits after the place to which you are rounding. The thousandths come after the hundredths. So since we're rounding to the hundredths, do we need to worry about any thousandths in our answer?
No.
Nope, we can just drop them. Okay, very good. Let's try these two practice problems then. It says, try this. Round 14 and 603 thousandths. Okay. For problem A, you are going to round it to the nearest hundredth. So go ahead and write the number, circle the digit that you are trying to round to, underline the one to the right of it, and see if you have to give it a shove or let it go. Try that out. So for A, it says to round the number to the nearest hundredth. And for B, it says to round it to the nearest whole number. Please go ahead and try that in your math notebook.